On today's video we are going to work on a Samsung Galaxy A12. We have a phone with a broken screen and we are going to repair that. This is gonna be a quick video. Stay tuned for more. We're gonna start by removing the SIM tray along with the SIM card. Quickly we're gonna remove the back door of this phone. It's gonna give us access to the power button cable. Just unplug that, put it on the side. By removing the Phillips screws from the bottom and the top plastic trays, we can gain access to the charging port on the bottom, to the motherboard on the top. After doing this, we're going to unplug the battery, the LCD cable, and the power and the charging port cable. One single screw is holding down the motherboard. Remove it. Now it's time to remove the motherboard and the charging port from this frame. Also put it on the side. There is a few components that we need to remove. Starting from the battery, it will not come out that easy. You will need to heat this battery a little bit to lose the adhesive holding it down. After that, also remove the loudspeaker and the ear speaker on the top. Be careful with this one. One more thing, the vibrator. We're gonna put this frame on the side and we're gonna bring the new one. Buying the part like this will speed up the repair process, especially for beginners. As you guys can see, the old screen is all damaged. Time to put back the little parts into the new frame. First, the loudspeaker, the ear speaker, and the vibrator. Now we're going to install the battery. On this one, we're gonna need a few strips of double-sided tape, just to secure the battery to the new frame. Install the new battery on the frame. Now we can bring back the motherboard and the charging port. The blue cable you see, that's an antenna that connects from the charging port to the motherboard. Make sure don't damage it. Slide the cable through the canal. Plug the cable for the charging port. And also to the motherboard, the cable for the LCD. That's our main cable. That's the reason we're fixing this one. With a single screw that we took off at the beginning, just put it back and secure the motherboard. Make sure it's nice and tight. Final, plug the battery back on. This phone now has power. Be careful. Place back those little plastic trays, the motherboard for the top, and the charging port on the bottom. Secure those trays with the screws that we took off at the beginning. There we go. One final touch. Just Lego type, connect the power button and close the phone. This repair at this moment is basically done. Don't forget your SIM tray. And now let's peel off this plastic to reveal that beautiful screen. Magnificent. Definitely this phone looks a lot better when it's not broken. Let's turn it on. Let's hit the power button. Alright, within a few minutes this phone will be on. There we go. Let's just test. By touching a few letters, we can see that if our touch is responsive. And this repair is basically done. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And check out our other videos. We have a bunch of videos about repairing phones, tablets. Stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you back in the next video.